This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders, and welcome back from the weekend. I'm Scott Norse here with your Forex Report for Monday, May 12th, 2008. Well, the U.S. dollar is seeing a rocky start this week ahead of a few very important economic reports. Chicago Fed President Charles Evans said today that the Fed's current rate stance is appropriate given substantial risk to both growth and inflation. The big question is whether the dollar can continue to rebound in the broad market without other central banks following the Fed and slashing rates. The latest PPI figures from the UK released this morning show the fastest rise in producer prices in more than 20 years. This will keep the BOE steady or cutting very slowly in the months ahead. Meanwhile, despite further signs of a struggling Eurozone economy, the ECB appears ready to let the economy slump in an effort to keep prices stable. This outlook is shared by at least a handful of other industrialized economies where inflation remains a major threat. The technical picture in terms of dollar strength or weakness remains very mixed in the major pairs. The euro-dollar recovered nicely from an overnight decline and will close the day in positive territory. Now trading near 155.45, we see another 50 to 100 pips of upside potential in coming sessions. The pound dollar also appeared to have some upside potential in coming days early on this morning, but is now losing its bullish tone. The rally today came on the back of strong PPI numbers, and CPI is out early tomorrow morning. We suggest traders be careful with open positions as these figures are released, as volatile movement will likely follow. If numbers are strong, look for another push higher. Commodity currencies were all stronger across the board, with the Aussie still eyeing its 95.50 highs. The New Zealand dollar is still a little weak on the daily charts, and dollar CAD remains in a very choppy range. The dollar did very well against the yen as carried trades in general were pushed higher with the help of rising stock prices. The franc was a bit stronger than the yen as it recovered on the back of the euro's rally. We expect to see a two-way street in most majors through the rest of this week, leaving us focused on short-term opportunities. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.